In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem Nitro gift codes on Discord. If you've received a Nitro gift, maybe from a friend, a promotion, or a giveaway, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to claim it safely and successfully. We'll keep things simple, add a few tips along the way, and make sure you're confident before you hit redeem. Start by opening your browser and heading to discord.com/shop. You can do this on desktop or mobile. Make sure you're signed into the account where you want the Nitro to be applied, because once a code is redeemed, it can't be moved to another account. If the shop page doesn't load right away, refresh the page or try another browser tab to ensure you're on the official Discord site. Once you're in the shop, look for gift inventory. This is where Discord keeps track of gifts you've received and where you'll enter your code. Clicking gift inventory will bring up a simple section with a box to redeem a code. It's designed to be quick, so you don't have to dig through settings. Next, type or paste your redeem code into the box. If you're pasting, remove any extra spaces at the beginning or end. Double check every character, especially ones that look alike, such as O and 0. Enter the code exactly as it was given to you. Only use codes from trusted sources and never share your code publicly. Many codes are one-time use and can be claimed by anyone who sees them. When your code is entered, click redeem. Depending on the type of Nitro gift, you might see a quick confirmation screen or a prompt asking you to confirm the subscription details. For trial offers, Discord may ask for a payment method to start the trial, and you won't be charged until the trial ends as long as you cancel on time. If your account already has Nitro, the gift may extend your existing subscription or prompt you to handle an overlap. Just follow the on-screen instructions. After you redeem, you'll see a success confirmation, and Nitro benefits will be applied to your account right away. If you run into an error, check for typos, try pasting the code again, or make sure the code hasn't expired or already been used. If the code is region restricted or not valid for your account type, Discord will indicate that on screen. That's it, your Nitro gift code is redeemed. Enjoy your perks, and remember to keep your account secure by only redeeming codes on the official Discord site. Thanks for watching and happy chatting.